is our one guy, one jar reaction video. It's going to be really gross.
Did you start it?
Yeah, I started down. What is
Oh
that on
my
his
God.
ball?
Oh my God.
What's that white thing on his ball?
That's his penis.
Ew, what is that?
What the hell is
I
coming
don't
up?
understand his setup.
Wait, is
What
is
is
he
that?
pooping?
No, he's...
It's going into his rectum! Holy fuck! What?
It broke.
Oh my god!
It took me the longest time to figure out that it was his
Yeah.
penis. I can't watch this anymore. I'm done. I'm tapped out.
Wait, is that real?
Yes!
That's fucking...
This is where you stop and go to the hospital!
Did he die?
I don't know. I don't know.
How would you explain that to your doctor?
Is it over yet?
He's so calm.
Is it over
That's
yet?
great
Why
skill.
would you turn
That
it
is
on?
great skill.
Is it over yet?
Oh my god. Does it end? He's bleeding profusely.
No, he's so fucking
He's like,
calm.
he's having a period out of his ass. Oh.
He hasn't even gotten erect yet either.
Wait, he gets erect?
It's a wreck.
No, but like,
What's gonna happen?
but like, I would at
Don't
least
tell us,
start.
don't tell us what's gonna happen.
I'm not telling you. I don't know.
How is he so calm? Why isn't he
I don't-
screaming? I almost just said screaming his ass off, and then I realized that'd be kind of...
I can't watch this anymore. This is really
So he
Like,
like,
I don't-
pissed
I don't-
himself now to get out the time.
Wait, no, I know. I can't watch it. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Ew, 2 hands, far enough. 2 hands is too much.
Wait, how long does this go on?
I don't know.
Can you please like make it go away?
Wait, I just want to see the
No, will
end.
you please like
No.
please make it stop. This could go on forever. He could put it on a loop.
Oh no, that happened again. This happened once before. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna go up.
There's